if it will be terrible, we can always start with makeup, right? And I do that better. So.
Yes. I should have done a little more with my hair today. Oh god, I'm feeling so exposed and so makeup.
Yeah.
I'm like, okay.
Like a lot of light there.
All right, so today we have a special episode. I've gone a little bit outside of my comfort zone. I'm gonna learn how to apply some makeup today, and with me I have
OLENA.
And OLENA has been doing my hair for a couple of years, and I know that beyond doing hair, she does makeup, she does brows. What else do you do?
Makeup and hair and styling, weddings, microblading, so anything close to the semi-permanent makeup. So yeah, that's pretty much all. Hair, makeup, and semi-permanent.
Yeah, and she's excellent at what she does. And so all this time she's been doing my hair, and I see all the great things she's doing. And she has an awesome Instagram, by the way. We'll put that in the comments below. So make sure you check out OLENA's Instagram and see all of her work, although you'll see it here today. The purpose of this is for her to apply some badass makeup on me, but also for me to learn how to apply it myself. And I don't wear a lot of makeup regularly. And in fact, when I first approached OLENA, I said, can you just teach me how to put like everyday makeup on? And she's like, yeah, but let's have a little bit more fun with it. So I think that was a good idea. So we're gonna try to have a little bit more fun. This is the Badass Makeup Shoot with OLENA. I'm Lindsay. Let's get started.
Yay! So we're starting with cleaning your face always.
Okay.
So I'm just using regular makeup wipes,
Okay.
makeup remover wipes, and they have also some good like retinol in it, so
Okay.
it's pretty good. So next step, going to apply a little bit of moisturizer. It's always good to prep your skin before any type of makeup, and your foundation will lay so much better.
Okay.
And it won't absorb into your skin in like an hour and oxidize. So when you
Okay.
prep your skin,
Gotcha.
I'll do it for you both sides.
Okay, thank you. I was gonna say, you're applying, she's doing the moisturizer
Yeah.
for me.
Yeah. And since we're doing some fun stuff, I'm gonna do a little primer, but it's not like regular primer. It's
Okay.
a primer with little particles of highlighter.
Okay.
So that's gonna look very pretty on you.
Awesome.
So we start applying that highlighter. Very, very bright at first, but then you start moving that on your skin.
And what's the purpose of the highlighter? Just to create
So
highlights? Contouring? That's all I think I know about makeup.
yes,
Okay.
and also everything you highlighting goes like more volumized on your face.
Okay.
So we always want more like nice cheekbone, like
Gotcha.
higher cheekbones and everything. So yeah, so that's what we're gonna do. It looks more like a carnival kind of style first,
Okay.
but then we apply foundation, it looks much more settled. Close your eyes for me.
And you're just dotting that on and then just
Yep.
kind of rubbing it in like a circular fashion. Does any of that matter, or just kind of rub it in however?
Just be gentle with your
Small
skin.
little-
You can feel like I'm not pushing too much. I'm not like stretching your skin or anything. So yeah, just be gentle.
Okay.
'Cause, like act like you love your skin all
Okay.
the time.
That is actually a really good reminder. I
Yeah.
should take
Yeah.
that one. So you're doing nose, you did
Just a bridge.
just the bridge, okay.
Uh-huh. And you're gonna do other side.
Okay, so I'm just taking this.
Mhm.
Is that enough right
Yeah,
there? Okay,
yeah.
and I'm just dotting here.
Yeah, like right over here. So not
Okay.
as much on the center of your face, but a little more.
More below.
On that.
I'm trying to like fight over
Yep,
here.
yep.
We'll just do it. I'll use the camera.
Yeah.
Is that too?
That's fine. We always have brush.
Okay. Now what do I do with the excess? Wipe it off?
Yeah,
or
just
keep it?
wipe it off.
Okay.
Mm-hmm.
And then what did you just dabbed it in?
Mm-hmm. But try to keep the highlighter more on the cheekbone
Oh,
than
not
on the
under my
center of
eye.
your face. Yeah,
So dabbed it in, and now
like circular motion, but very, very kind of little
okay.
motions. Yep. You know what I'm gonna do? Just a little bit out here.
We're trying to do this in a camera,
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
so you know.
That's perfect.
Okay.
Mm-hmm.
It's gonna be like gorgeous clown side.
That's
Okay. So you did this, and then you've already done the nose. So I don't
yeah.
need to
You
do that,
don't need
right?
to do that. You can touch a little bit your chin
Okay.
and just tiny bit on the forehead. Yep. Yeah. That's
Right.
fine. But what you want to do, make sure it's all spread out.
Okay, so we got the highlighter going. We
Yeah.
did moisturizer, highlight. I'm trying to keep the steps in here.
Yep. And the great thing when you use such a bright highlighter, you don't want it to be that bright, right?
Okay.
Still. So we're gonna do some foundation. So we cover that up, and you'll see that highlighter coming through the foundation.
Okay.
But very gentle and subtle.
That makes sense.
Yep. Do you want to use airbrush, or you want to? Yeah.
Airbrush.
Oh, that would be fun.
What?
Sorry. So airbrush system. It's amazing type of technique which you apply your foundation with this little machine. Sorry, it's not that. I mean, it's a working machine. You can tell.
Okay.
So, so what you do, you're just adding a little bit of the foundation right into the pot, and you can mix different colors. You can use blush, contouring, highlighter, but we're gonna work with foundation right now. So
Where does one get a machine like this?
yeah,
I mean, where do you get that? Online? anywhere?
website, yeah,
Okay.
Temp2 company. That's what I use, but
Am I okay just looking right
yeah,
here? So this is spraying on the foundation.
yep.
Is this something you would do for a special occasion, like photo shoot, or is this something that people are using every day on their face?
I mean, people like me
You do? Really?
using
Oh,
that every day because
my
I really
goodness.
like it, and it's very fast and it's very thin,
And it's just
Um,
creating this
very
great even.
flawless, even.
Or I shouldn't open my mouth. Or...
It's okay to inhale a little bit because I probably inhale a lot during my life, so
And how much foundation did you pour in there? Just a,
very little,
Okay.
like a couple drops. You don't need much. That's the
Amazing.
great
It feels
thing.
really good.
Yep, and you won't feel much of the thickness of the foundation. You know, like sometimes it's so cakey, but with this one, it's really good.
I can feel a difference. It already looks like.
Yeah.
Amazing.
So what I'm
Okay.
gonna do, I'm gonna use a little beauty blender. So you don't have to do it, but I always like to take a little like extra of foundation from your skin. And if I have to, I would add a little more of foundation. I just want to make sure it's the thinnest layer we can create, you know. Very important, I'm not moving my hand back and forth. I'm just kind of like pressing and dabbing more than like moving.
Gotcha. You think I can do this?
Yep, I'm absolutely sure. Let me just like
touch it
I'll
up
go over a little bit more.
Okay.
Very, very thin. Making sure touch all the areas. Little circular motions everywhere, so I'm not like stopping on one spot.
I think if I had one of these, I would wear foundation every day because it just
Yeah.
feels good.
And it has like a little lifting effect too, so your skin kind of from the flow just goes up a little bit.
Okay.
So, okay, so what you're gonna do, you just have to push here, and to open up the air, you just like open this little trigger there.
Okay.
That's all. But when you stand too much, you can see it's like how much foundation it goes. So, you know, just a little bit.
Okay.
Yep.
I don't know the best way to do this. Maybe I should just hold this.
Yeah, just
Okay. So
Okay.
pressing. I think it's gonna spray.
no. That's
How far
okay.
away do I hold it? Like is this far?
Yeah, that's good. That's
Okay.
good.
Just so the viewers can see here. All right. I don't know. Is it going on?
Yeah, it is.
Okay.
And it's a thing. You don't have to see it like, whoa, that's foundation there. Just very thin. And if you got a little like line of the air, and you stop a little longer, you know, that's when you get
Yes.
a little more. But it's okay. That's why
The
we have.
dabber.
Yeah. So what we do, it's very easy fix.
Okay.
We kind of like just going like this, and it's
Thins
all
it
good.
out.
Yeah.
Okay. You did my forehead too, right?
Yeah, I did all the face.
I'm like moving the mirror as we're doing it.
That's fine.
People, this is like, I don't do this stuff, so you know.
A little too close.
Okay.
Yeah.
All right. So.
Okay. So what
We're
we're
good.
gonna do now is turn
Power
it down. Yeah.
Good to you.
And we just work with Beauty Blender.
Okay. So then and you just did
Mm-hmm.
little.
Yeah,
Kinda
very
roll.
soft, very, very gentle. Yeah. Ever feels good for you.
All right. Using the mirror down here too.
Mm-hmm.
Ah, how often do you how do you clean these or?
Every single time after
Okay.
each use. I have special like soap, like hard soap. You have to like really like soap it out.
Okay.
This beauty blender, and it's a lot of like water coming through, and so yeah, it's pretty good for a couple months.
I mean, we've only been at this for a few minutes, but already I feel like it's
You look gorgeous. So she's
like
ready.
an even skin tone. And awesome.
That's awesome. Yeah.